Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the device model and that Chromecast is powered. This matters because factory steps differ slightly. Open the Google Home app, find the device card, and tap the settings gear to access device options. Once done, make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network and Bluetooth is enabled so the app can communicate. If the device is unresponsive, proceed to the physical reset button step described next. You can reset via the Google Home app by tapping Remove Device or Factory Reset in Device Settings. That tells Chromecast to wipe settings and disconnect from your account. Alternatively, hold the physical reset button on the dongle or TV-connected puck for about 25 seconds until the LED blinks and color shifts, then release. During the reboot phase, wait patiently and avoid unplugging power. Interrupting the flash wipe can corrupt firmware and require reinstallation. Once the Chromecast reboots, it will broadcast setup mode. Open Google Home and follow on screen prompts to add a new device and reconnect Wi-Fi. If you can't discover the device, reboot your router and phone, switch to a 2.4 GHz SSID if available, and try setup again. If the issue persists after those steps, perform a second factory reset. Remember that repeated resets rarely fix hardware failure, so consider support or replace.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.